Today another home renovation episode. So the store handles also annoy me enormously. Not only do they look extremely ugly, I have no idea what happened to them. They're probably the cheapest crap they could find. They also shouldn't be that old. The building was built like 15 years or so ago. So yeah, less than 15 years. I have no idea. I've never seen that in my whole life. In case you see this oxidation and stuff. And they feel like clear coated, but yeah, I've no idea. But we got it like that. The problem is, I mean, it looks disgusting and stuff, but the biggest problem for me is, besides it looks like shit, that each time you touch it, your fingers smell metal for a long time. Especially then if you drink some coffee or eat some Apple stuff, then you always have some smelling metal. So today's the day. Local promotion, just $12.90 or so, €3.90 something off or something. And usually, unless you renovate 100-year-old stuff, they fit because they have some standard. I checked this already. Otherwise, yeah, matter the sizes. If you renovate works 50, 100-year-old stuff, then maybe that doesn't fit, or you just need to cut there. So this should be as easy as getting these screws out there. So we have that. Made in your okay. Maybe you can refurbish that, like polish that and stuff and clear coat it, but yeah, I don't like the style the most and not doing that today. These are of course mid-price ones. You get cheaper ones for like $5, euro. And of course the sky's the limit if you need golden ones and stuff. Then obviously you can also spend $1,000 for one. So then just this there. See, that fits of course as expected. And the only other thing you need to watch out is for your restroom or entry door that you might have there some slight variation of that. Yeah, also cheapish I have. So much there, also not the most straight. But anyway, huge improvement. That's how you do it, as easy as that. And it's already much nicer at home like that. So, and there you have it. And yeah, beauty, such a difference. Just as yesterday to show you how easy lots of things are and just do it yourself. I saved already so many thousands, if not 10,000 of euro over the years doing all the renovation stuff like painting and water pipes and stuff like that. So yeah, also if you say, yeah, but do your Linux distribution, why don't you software and hire people? First of all, if you hire people, you need to earn like twice the money because taxes and stuff. So you pay taxes, they pay taxes. So yeah, you need to easily earn twice the money to pay other people. And then I literally spent more time phoning after people to wait and come and stuff, and it just 2 TM. So yeah, I have some more doors to do. I hope you learned something. See you next time. Some additional thoughts. It's of course a little bit wasteful, right? I mean, these are like 15 years old maximum, maybe less. And it's so wasteful, right? That people buy the cheapest crap just that you need to throw it away. And I mean, there's not even in Germany some proper recycling, right? Where should everyone just throws this now into the landfill trash here, so yeah, it's really wasteful. We need to get so much better with recycling everything. Like, I would be surprised that anywhere in the world there's like, I mean, maybe there's somewhere, like in Denmark or Sweden or somewhere amazing, but yeah, landfill.